Hi everyone. Well, it's me again. It is the 18th of October. I'm John McNichol and I'm here to do another video lecture. Here's hoping that you folks will be able to hear me a little bit better. My understanding is my last little setup was a little muffled and difficult to hear, so let me know, give me some feedback if this is better. Now, what's going out today are going to be two quizzes, if you folks have not completed them yet. First one, here, I'll just hold this up so that you folks can freeze it if you need to look at it, okay? And clickety click, there we go. Okay, so basically the first thing you're going to do, if you haven't done this already, we talked about it last week, but there is an M12 lesson slideshow on the subject of introductions and conclusions. Please watch it. It'll show you how to label each part of an introduction and a conclusion, and then you take the super easy quiz that's associated with it. It's the M12 quiz on introductions and conclusions. Now remember the parts of an introduction, things like, and here we go again, whoops, let's move this up, okay. If we're talking about an introduction, okay, there is, I haven't got that up there, but there's often a hook, something to get the attention of your audience. Frequently, it is a rhetorical question. Have you ever been stuck in traffic? Yes, of course we have. We already know the answer, but that helps to get things done. And then you've got your claims, your first proof, second proof, third proof, why your thesis is correct, and your thesis comes in at the end, okay? So don't worry about this other stuff on Monday necessarily, okay? We're gonna be doing other things then. Also this Wednesday, for Wednesday rather, if you have not turned in the introduction and conclusion to the piece that you did on entertainment with your group, that needs to be turned in as well, okay? So that's in there, okay? That's in, sorry, I forget that part. Let me take a quick look at it over here, all righty? So if I am not mistaken, the modules on that, I want to say M11, but I just want to be 100% certain on that, okay? Well, yes, M11 was where you turned in your 3 body paragraphs, and I've given grades on that. Okay. And M12 was the in-class activity on introductions and conclusions, okay? Let me make sure that folks have gotten those in. Yep, got a bunch of them in, so glad to see that. Good stuff, good stuff. So, M12, class activity, introduction and conclusion. That's due today, Wednesday, so please get that in, okay? Well, once you get that set, the next thing you're gonna do, okay? Again, watch the slideshow on M12, lesson, introductions and conclusions. And then you're going to want to take the quiz on M12, introductions and conclusions, okay? Now, when we meet again, okay, remember, this Monday, bring your paper copies of your rough drafts. That will include your introduction, your 3 body paragraphs, and your conclusion at the end, okay? And also to help you, if you're having difficulty putting those body paragraphs together and your introductions and conclusions, okay, I want you to take the M13 quiz before Monday, M13 quiz, and it's titled Label John's 5th Essay. Now once we meet on Monday, you're gonna meet up here, they're gonna edit your essay, gonna move it over. Hopefully we'll have enough people there to meet in groups of 4. Okay. Edit your essay, move it over. Once it's done, you will upload the rough draft of your essay to me. I will edit it, shoot it back to you, and then you'll shoot it back for a final draft, and that's your midterm. Okay. For now, all you gotta really make sure you understand is that we are going to be bringing our paper copies of our rough drafts to this next Monday's class. And today, Wednesday, Make sure that you have uploaded your introduction and your conclusion that you wrote up to the M12 piece, okay? And make sure that you take, once again, by Monday, take these two quizzes, M12, Introductions and Conclusions, and the hold still, and the M13 quiz, which is Label John's 5th essay. Okay? So I'm hoping that works well for you. The good news is when you take the quiz, please don't panic on it. They give you a sample essay to look at. John's 5th essay, actually if you look near the bottom, they've got samples of where, do you remember when we did this? We have the T's and the 1s and the 3s and all the other bits. If this relates to that, then you put the number there and so forth, okay? So you can go back and look at previous lessons if you need a refresher on that. But download John's 5th essay and read it out. And especially look at the bottom paragraphs before you start clicking on choices for the quiz, okay? Because that will give you a template to work with, okay? Does that make sense, folks? Okay, so that's basically all I've got for this little video lecture today. Get those two quizzes done. Get your intro and your conclusions into me on the M12 and bring paper copies of your rough drafts of your 5-paragraph essays on media that you did with your small groups. Okay, everyone? And we'll get through and edit those suckers together and upload them. Then I'll go over them as your teacher, get them back to you, you'll fix them and turn them in as your midterms. Okay? We're more than halfway there, folks. Congratulations. Really proud of everybody who's been sticking it out and working so hard lately. Okay, take care, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye-bye.